Okie dokies. I am here with my 22 long rifle revolver, Heritage Rough Rider. Now, as in all my videos, I safety check. Alright? Cock that, son bitch. Now, there's nothing in the cylinder. It's good to go. Okay? Now, well, let me just point this video down. Why not, right? Hold on, let me see if all the shit's in frame. And yeah, pretty well. Okay. Okie dokies. Point this direction. There. I don't know. I went online to ammunitiontogo.com and I went ahead and bought some ammo for my 22 revolver. Now this particular ammo is supposed to be silent, or well, not silent but quiet, meaning, you know, very little sound, as you know, as opposed to a normal 22 LR round, which is pretty damn loud. I have not fired one of these yet, so, well, I'm holding it upside down. Oh, I'm sorry. I have not fired one of these yet, so hopefully I don't get the cops called on me again for shooting in my backyard. Hopefully this sounds kind of like maybe a cap gun or something. I will, or something, I don't know. Anywho, let me just open this up, show you what they look like. Come on. They come in these really cool cases, little bullet holders. I like that. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, anyway, let me get one of these rounds out. Get on. Try and get it out. Alright. There you go. That's what it looks like. Looks like a tiny Hershey Kiss or a really, really small nipple. Oh yeah, nipples. No, I don't know. Really small. Now supposedly there is no gunpowder in this case. The bullet is propelled by just the primer. So I don't know how well that's going to work. I'm hoping it works pretty well. I mean, obviously it's not going to be as powerful as a normal 22 long rifle. Get down there. But hopefully it goes bang, and not too loud of a bang, of course, because that kind of defeats the purpose. But yeah, hopefully it knocks some cans over or whatever, you know. Oh, little side note: if you're going to buy these 22 Colibris, you cannot use them in semi-auto handguns because they're not powerful enough to push the slide back, and you cannot use these 22 Colibris in a 22 rifle because they don't have enough power to make it through the entire barrel. So you're going to get a clogged barrel, and the next time you fire, your barrel is going to blow up and you might die. So, not a good thing to do. Anywho, look forward to some 22 shooting videos in my backyard. Oh boy. I really hope these work. I really do. No gunpowder, 20 grain bullets. Alright. Well, that's about it for this video. I just wanted to tell you guys that I will be doing some shooting videos, and not just with my 22. Alright, I'll get out there and shoot my Sigma. I have not shot my Sigma since I did that those 2 modifications to it, so I don't even know if my Sigma even works anymore. So to say the least, it will be interesting. Well, that's about it for this video.